Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can install a WordPress theme through cPanel, so let's get right into it. cPanel is an online Linux-based graphics user interface for easily managing and modifying servers and websites. WordPress is an online content management system, I think it's called, and it basically just works to make your website creation much more easy and much more trivial. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to mention about that. Let's get into the nitty-gritty about how you can actually install a theme using cPanel. What you want to do first is search for the file manager in cPanel once you log in. Depending on the hosting company, it might not be the same layout as cPanel, but don't worry, it's pretty much the same thing, just in a different shape. Find the file manager, enter it. Once you're there, the public HTML directory is what consists of your website's files and folders, and you need to go into the public HTML folder and locate WP-content, which is your theme, which means WordPress content, as you can probably imagine. And then the media files, themes, and plugins are all in this folder. What you want to do is go into the themes folder, and once you find the theme that you want to upload, click on it and click on the upload icon at the top of your screen. Once you do that, a new tab opens where you can see a button to select the file. Then you can just upload the file that you want. Refresh the page and you can see the zip file. Right click and choose the extract option, and then you can fill in the path to send the theme name folder there. This is the path that you want, and once you do, refresh the page and you can see the folder with the theme's name. And that's pretty much how you install a theme. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.